What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. I was going to give you guys a lot of content this weekend, but it has been horribly raining for the past 2 days. Today is Saturday, and yeah, we had some bad storms come through last night, and this is the result. My poor little garage shed thing, whatever. So before I go any further with anything, I gotta get this fixed. So it's going to be part of this video, getting that fixed, throw up a time lapse or whatever to, get this back to normal. And then I'm going to start tearing apart the TC because I'll be getting the motor here in the next couple of days and I need to get the old one out. And if I can't get to the Del Sol today, I will do it tomorrow. Possibly get the motor out of that tomorrow too. If not, just tear it apart the rest of the way. Actually, my buddy came Thursday, and grabbed the head off of it, and yeah, you can see exactly how much it's rained since then. I wasn't going to keep this motor anyway, so I'm not too worried about that, but that's the condition that the Del Sol's in right now. So I will tear that apart too this weekend, because I got to give the engine hoist back soon. I'm borrowing it from the guy who took the head. It's kind of my payment to him for borrowing it. But yeah, so let's get this video started. Alright, as you can see, I had them zip tied and gorilla taped all the way down. It's actually two different tarps, and I thought it was a good idea to have them in the middle like that, to where it covers both sides. But yeah, water collected enough to break the zip ties and to separate the tape. Temporary fix right now. It's gonna sit like that because I really need to work on the car. It's supposed to be partly cloudy with a 20% chance of rain today, so we'll see how that lasts. Usually in South Carolina, if it's a 20% chance of rain, that means it's gonna rain at least 20% of the day. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. So right now, yeah, I'm just gonna leave it like that, leave the car right where it is, pop the hood, and start tearing it apart. I think afterwards I'm going to just use one tarp and put it in the middle and zip tie it to this here, because this can go down, so I can pull it tight enough to where water won't collect on both sides. And then we'll go from there with that. If that doesn't work, then I don't know. I need a carport, I need a garage. That's in the future also. Hopefully really soon, but you know, $3,000 for a motor. I'm not YouTube famous yet, so like, comment, subscribe, because that's eventually going to help me get funds to build cars and a garage and all that good stuff. But yeah, so let's get you set up and get started working on the car. dead toad. Looks like he's been there for a while. Smells horrible. I just pushed him off the back of the intake manifold. You can see his guts down there. Maybe camera might not pick it up. Right down in there. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, I'll use this opportunity to give you guys an update on what I've done. I have taken out the battery, the intake, short ram intake, the valve cover, disconnected a whole bunch of wires, sensors, plugs, stuff like that. I'm going to move on to taking the exhaust manifold off. Gonna wait till tomorrow to do the radiator because I need to drain it, and need to make sure I do that right because I don't want to kill my dog by leaking it everywhere. Oil's been drained in it for a couple days now, a couple weeks now. So yeah, I guess I'll just continue on doing what I'm doing, and then we'll come to a stopping point at some point in time. So let's do it. Alright, the smell is still horrendous even though I sprayed it down. So I'm about to call it quits for the night. Let that soak overnight. But what I want to do before I go, I've had this car for a year. Apparently the last owner kept it immaculate. I tried to do the same. 1 year later, I blew the motor. Spin all four rod bearings. So, just for shits and giggles, I want to crack open the valve cover and see what it looks like. So yeah, let's do that. not bad. $167,000 miles on it. Yeah, I don't see any sludge or anything. So it's a little brown, but I mean that's regular oil. So I don't know. Yeah, could have been something. Yeah, starting from the oil pump. Look over here. Might have dumped it out already. Well, it's got water in it now from all the storms. But there was a good amount of metal in there. So, I don't know, we'll see. Well, there's no we'll see. I ordered the motor today, just for the motor. No bolt-ons, no add-ons, no fluids. 3402. A couple weeks to get here. And then break-in oil for 500 miles. You're looking at about $8 to $10 a quart. So, yeah, I'm gonna spend close to $4 grand on this swap. I just bought the car for $5 last year, so that's me. You know, I like the car though. The car's good. Body's nice. I mean, it's dirty right now because it's been sitting, but no major dents or dings. No rust. Surprisingly clean underneath, being from Flint, Michigan. No rust underneath. Very minimal rust. Nothing that wouldn't be too drastic down here in South Carolina. But yeah, so that's all I'm going to do today. It's getting dark. I know I have lights, but it's hot and humid if you can't tell. Start up again early in the morning. Do some more on the TC. Maybe stop and do some on the Del Sol. Not much to do on the Del Sol other than take the motor out for right now. I'm kind of at a standstill until I get this TC running. But yeah, so that's it for the day. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. You know the whole spiel. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.